In this tutorial, you will learn how to access library materials available via the Hathi Trust Emergency Service, or ETAS. This service is only available to McGill students, faculty, and staff. There are two methods to find books and journals offered by the Hathi Trust Emergency Service. The first method is to search the library catalog. In this example, we will search for a book by entering the title. The catalog indicates that there is a print copy at the library and a digitized version available at Hathi Trust. To access the digitized copy, click on this link and you will be prompted to enter your McGill credentials. You will then be able to borrow the book if it is available for loan. By clicking the Checkout button, you will see that this book is now checked out to you for the next 1 hour. At the end of 1 hour, your loan will be renewed automatically if no one else requested the item. Since books are only available to one person at a time, please return the book once you have finished by using the Return Early button. The second and preferred method is to search for titles directly in the Hathi Trust platform, because it is possible that a Hathi Trust item does not appear as a link in the library catalog due to technical issues. To search directly in Hathi Trust, please go to this address, HathiTrust.org, and then click the link Hathi Trust Response to COVID-19, or simply search for Hathi Trust Digital Library in the McGill Library Catalog. You will need to first log in, and you'll be asked to select your home institution and then enter your McGill credentials. You can now search for books. To access the book, click on the Temporary Access button, and then you can move to the checkout process as previously explained. The Hathi Trust platform also allows you to search for print materials in various languages, such as Arabic, Persian, or Turkish. Simply enter a title, in this example, a Persian item. Or you can enter the transliterated form of the Persian title. If you require further assistance, please go to the Islamic Studies Library webpage to find our contact information and email us at this address. For reference questions, please go to this page or contact our librarian at this email address. Thank you for watching this video.